Hello, friends. We are starting our organized self employment ministry and budget 39th session in progress. First of all, from Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, with truth only trumps. ISBN 8190186002X, copyright number 954/03/COL, and with Labour Party of India and fist of the hand symbol from the room number 126. We are first of all praying room number 1, Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir, and 175 Shiv Shakti Mandir. Room number 2, Vishnu Puran, Ramayan, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir of Vishnu Lakshmi. Room number 3, Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Puran, that is Hindu writer, ISBN 175 crore document and different ISBN certificate of all Hindu writer of all subject. Then room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Puran, Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagvat. Then room number 5, Hindu Varshkrit of different region, first Mithila Varshkrit and different Varshkrit, north, south, east, west, central India Varshkrit, with 108 Puranas, 4 Vedas and 108 Upanishad, 18 Puranas and all the Varshkrit, and our constitution. Room number 6. We are first of all giving Pushpanjali and beginning our session with the concept that we should become organized self-employment ministry, budget, self-employed government servant by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits under the guidance of Amit Kumar Jha, with Labour Party of India fist of the hand, with the equilibrium 31st August 1946, when the Clement Attlee Independence Act document is coming. 15 British represented members for interim government, and then Indian self-represented 299 members for making constitution. We are following. We should indulge in our constitution as from 31st August 2001 in singular way and in family way, 16 February 2001 in 6 unborn family. We should indulge. According to that, our session is 14,178. Right of pension should be fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years should be fundamental right. Right of educational certificate in capital value. We should be preamble wise organized employed. We should be preamble wise organized self-employed. Infinite profession. We should organize in 6 unborn family with 1 point of Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, Brahma Saraswati, ISBN Puran, 175 Hindu certificate, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Puran, Durga Sapsati, Devi Bhagvat, Hindu Varshkrit with 108 Upanishad, 18 Puran, 4 Vedas, all Hindu Varshkrit all over India, north, south, east, with Mithila Varshkrit, and the Constitution of India from the 31st August 1946, from where we are developing the national unity point. On that basis, we acknowledge the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Kailash Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vaikunth Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Kshir Sagar Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, in English Welfare Power Rashtrapati Bhavan, Live Money Rashtrapati Bhavan, Brahma Saraswati Rashtrapati, that is Satyadham Rashtrapati, that is Law Education Rashtrapati, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is family and a non-veto husband Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the Hindu Varshikrit Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Truth Saviors Rashtrapati Bhavan, the government Rashtrapati Bhavan of Hindus, which is coming together from 31st August 1946 to 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan in one Rashtrapati Bhavan on the signing of the document method. So 6 Hindu unborn path is united by the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, and we are becoming from home self-employed government servant between 0 to 18 year. If there will be any problem of eventuality like death or any type of eventuality in our life, because life is uncertain and it is certain also, beautiful also, and 18 to 58 year, whenever in our life when we want to work and earn, we will come to organized self-employment ministry. Here will be uniform organized self-employment ministry fiscal credit table. According to the signature, we will do as we are doing election every 5 years from 26 January 1950. Similarly, by the fiscal credit per month showing self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing commission. By the organized self-employment ministry, we will show our self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. On the top, we are the sons of the Kailasdham, Vaikundham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham, which is attached to the one Rashtrapati Bhavan of our, that is our Delhi Rashtrapati Bhavan, 26 January 1950. We will adopt and move with that, because 6 types of national workers are working who are above 30,000 and we are below 30,000. Equilibrium point in 1947 was 30 rupees per month above earner and 30 rupees per month below earner. But in those days, employment and uncertainty was not there. Now employment problem and uncertainty is both there. The families are same. The same family, 750 family of the parliament, that is the MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and similarly 750 families of industry, Hindu industry, 750 families of the Hindu educationists, Hindu scientists, Hindu professors, lecturers, teachers, Hindu lawyers, 750 families of the Hindu women, 750 families of the Truth Saviors, 750 families of Hindu government centrally, automatically, and state wise we have 4,500 Hindu family all over India. With that 4,500 MLAs of all the political parties with their own principle and ideology, and 4,500 Hindu industrialists, 4,500 Hindu educationists, teachers, lawyers, professors, IITians, doctors, then Hindu women, 4,500 Hindu Truth and Non-Violence, and 4,500 Hindu state government and union territories, all united on the document method. If you will put this document, automatically 6 family rays are coming, which is attached to our one Rashtrapati Bhavan. Similarly, this is 6 governor house, which is attached to our one governor house. One document path is coming. On that basis, we have the 2 profession. One profession is self-employment government job to we all. We are not seeing our parent responsibility, that and our education, what we are teaching, according to that its responsibility. Only measurement is 30,000 per month above. If we are getting the certificate from the organized self-employment ministry income tax department that yes, 30,000 per month above earner, which is the equilibrium point of earning, then to it is okay. Otherwise, it is a risky job if we are not showing any type of eventuality. Become a regular earner by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. As we have our Aadhaar card, passport, photo election identity card, and the PAN number. Similarly, one more thing is required from 31st August 2001 and 16 February 2002 in the 6 unborn family form, because we all are Hindus from 31st August 1946 only, but we have not documented. That is why we are not able to understand the Kailash Dham and the Vaikuntha Dham, because 73 years difference in that, both of them is there. So we have to understand this and we have to sign the document. When we will sign the document, automatically these 6 rays will enter into our heart. In that 6 rays there are 12 sub-rays. How 12 sub-rays? One is Shiv Dham and one is Parvati Dham. Automatically when we will sign, our mother father is Shiv Parvati or welfare power Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amita Vilasa, Brahma Saraswati, law, education, Adi Shakti Jagadamba, and her husband each united God and Goddess, Hindu worship God and Goddess, and government is. But marriages are held after that, because when we are mature enough and understand. So there are 12 Savdham, Shiv Dham and the Parvati Dham, that is welfare Dham and the power Dham. Then the Vishnu Dham, that is Ram Dham, Krishna Dham, Amit Dham. Then Lakshmi Dham, that is Sita Dham, Radha Dham, and the Mani Dham. Brahma Saraswati Dham, that is Brahma Dham, Saraswati Dham. Law Dham, that is education Dham. Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham. Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, those who are connected, married to the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, each united worship goddess, and those who are unmarried, Jagadamba Dham, and her non-veto husband Dham. Similarly, the Truth Savior Dham, Truth Savior, each god and goddess, each god, Truth Savior, each goddess. Similarly, Government Dham, she government and he government Dham. We have to understand that 12 sub-rays are coming. We have to document ourselves in the 6 unborn Rashtrapati Bhavan and 6 unborn Governor House, which is attached to our 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan, 26 January 1950, and 1 Governor House, 26 January 1950. We are moving on the road, but we are not knowing each other. So we have to put 12 Jyotirlinga from where we are belonging. We are undocumented. Now we will be documented, and automatically we will be self-employed government servant all over India. For becoming organized self-employed in the private sector, if we are able to earn 30,000 per month above earner, it is okay. Otherwise, as we are earning, it is okay. If we are comfortable in our job, as we are using our photo election ID card, 40 to 60% of the voter are appear on the election day. Rest 40% are doing work. So it is no harm. But the system of organized self-employment ministry and budget will make us strong, because we all will become self-employed government servant. Any person who is doing whatever, he has definitely shown. If we are checking, have you shown in organized self-employment ministry, self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit? Because fiscal credit, salary slip will automatically come. From the organized self-employment ministry and budget, we will make account section in wherever the organized self-employment ministry and budget we will make. Automatically what will happen in the account section, it will be connected to the chief minister and the prime minister office. By the trust and faith, this is organized self-employment ministry 39th session. I am trying to explain you, because by this fiscal credit table we will be always constant, because constant life gives us a security. From the self transfer system we can transfer to anywhere, and by the document signing system in the organized self employment ministry, our prime minister will be head of our family, and in 6 unborn race, because whichever political party, Labour Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Samajwadi Party, RJD Party, Samta Party, any types of party, all types of party, whoever party is coming in power, all will get the chance, because the rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham. It is not like that ki my political party or your political party or Indian National Congress. Everyone, we are the sons and daughters of the Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. Our personal capacity is there. Whenever Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister, when Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri was the Prime Minister, Chandrasekhar was the Prime Minister, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister. All have their personal capacity. All Chief Minister has their personal capacity. Nitish Kumar has his own personal capacity. Lalu Prasad has his own personal capacity. Rabri Devi had his own personal capacity. Uddhav Thackeray had his own personal capacity. Naveen Patnaik has his own personal capacity. M.K. Stalin has his own personal capacity. We have to understand that the self-earning, self-work certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing is showing the path. It is not like that ki Amit Kumar Jha is making. We have to understand the language of the Shiv Purana, Vishnu Purana, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Purana, Brahma Saraswati Purana, the ISBN Purana, 175 crore Hindu certificate. My book Truth Only Trumps ISBN certificate is 8190186002X. Copyright number 954/03/COL. And the other ISBN of all the subject, agriculture, scientist, all types of book. And the Durga Sapsati Devi Bhagavad and the various types of the book which we have. And the Varshkrit, the 108 Upanishad, the 108 18 Puran, 4 Vedas. We have to understand the language. From the Rashtrapati Bhavan we have to see, and we have to see the Constitution of India, the 15 members who were in the interim government and 299 members from which we are moving on the truth and non-violence. We have to understand the internal heart language. We are capable of living in 3 budget system. From 1860 we were living annual budget and railway budget, and India is being controlled. Now we have to understand population has increased. The quality has increased. 30% of the people are capable of handling all, but 1 to certain status is required. That yes, I am a self-employed government servant. My salary is 1 rupees or 10 paisa or 5 paisa, and pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance is coming to me. I am a dignified citizen of India. I am an illiterate citizen of India. I am sitting in the illiterate chamber. I am the literate citizen of India sitting in the literate chamber. I am a signature known citizen of India. I am sitting in this chamber. I am a 5th pass citizen of India. I am sitting in this chamber. We have to understand. I am a double PhD. I am sitting in this chamber. Automatically, by the organized self-employment ministry system, 4-year promotion system will come. After 4 years, our table will change. Automatically, we have developed. We will have 3 offices. 1 office at home, work from home, by the organized self-employment ministry from the Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and from the Governor House, which is connected, which will be by your trust and faith will be connected to the 26th January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan and 26th January 1950 all the Governor House. By the document method, 6 unborn path, each one is capable of 100%. But we are 130 crore population. By the Rashtrapati Bhavan wise, under the guidance of our President, Chief Ministers, Prime Ministers, all the 750 MPs and all the 4,500 MLAs, 750 into 6 unborn family who are working all over India, and 4,500 into 6 families who are working in India. We will be united by the self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit system, and we will become self-employed government servant. And automatically fiscal credit salary will come. If 10 paisa is given, unitedly we are getting from the organized self-employed finance minister, which is under the control of the Council of Minister and the Prime Minister of India. And similarly in the state to the Council of Minister and to the Chief Minister of the state. What will happen? We will be self-employed government servant. We can, by the self-transfer method, we can transfer to the Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, Bengaluru, anywhere in India. We are self-employed government servant, and the educational certificate is in capital value. This is organized self-employment ministry 39th session. And if I am taking from the 31st August 2001, it is 14,178 session. Both morning and evening I have been doing session for the organized self-employment ministry, so that the organized documented path can come. Why? Because we will become organized. A organized citizen. My opinion, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Opinion is that if 1 rupees is being validated by the Parliament of India, from the Prime Minister office and from the Chief Minister office, that yes, I am a self-employed government servant and 1 rupees is my salary, automatically self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission. As we have 14th finance commission, 14th self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission will come, and that 1 rupees will become 1.25 paisa. This we have to understand, and this can come by our effort. Our trust and faith in the document is required. We have made up till passport, PAN card, photo election ID card and the Aadhaar card. We have to make constitutional validity on our income, work, educational certificate, our fiscal credit. By the preamble wise organized and preamble wise organized self-employed automatic signing method, infinite population, infinite profession will be under control. 90 crores of the voters we are controlling by the phase wise election in the central government and the state government. Similarly, we have to control from the 31st August 1946 the emotion of self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. And by this fiscal credit, because what is there, our earning is below 30,000 and we are not able to judge on the income tax strong footing level, it can be easily judged. If the act will be made that we will check strictly 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below according to the employment equilibrium level. 70% of our 130 crore population is below 30,000 per month earner, and the problem is basically with we all, because the irregular job system and insecurity of job, and this can be solved by putting the document method, the 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow documents, that will be 72, and automatically it will have the infinite circle into infinite. We are doing our election commission election on this angle. Now we have to be self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing method, and automatically per month we are on the fiscal credit, because how much we are earning we are not able to judge. And then how government can give any pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness, allowance? Nothing can be made. Universally by the preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, in one organized self-employment ministry and budget office, in the 130 crore population wherever we will make, from the branches of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, from the book Truth Only Trumps and Fiscal Credit. It will have the account section which will be directly connected to our Chief Minister and Chief Secretary and Finance Secretary, and similarly centrally it will be connected to our Prime Minister and the Chief Secretary of the PMO and the Chief Finance Secretary. Automatically it will be giving self-employment government job. If 1 rupees or 50 paisa is organized, constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate and fiscal credit, we will form our organized self-employment ministry, and forever the job problem will be solved, because educational certificate in capital value I have tried to put, which will instigate self to earn as much degree, because if we are only doing graduate, we will sit in the graduate chamber, and after 4 years we will be promoted in that. If we are doing PhD, we will sit in the PhD chamber, and from there we will be promoted after 4 years. Similarly, if we are doing double PhD, we will be getting fiscal credit benefit also, and we will be promoted there. And the money management also we will try to keep control, 30,000 employment level and below. Tension is of us below 30,000 per month earner. Tension is not of 30,000 above per month earner, because they are from God gifted angle. How we are able to reach, we are not knowing, but we are knowing that how we are below 30,000 per month earner. Somewhere or other where it has been a troublesome life. That is why it is. We are satisfied. Only thing is that we have to understand Labour Party of India and the fist of the hand and the organized self-employment ministry concept of self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, because this is self-employment government job. And how can we leave that? We have to come together and generate trust in Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. And this trust will generate a self-employment government job system in our own way. Which photo we are worshipping, which mandir we are worshipping, that is being, because 6 unborn Rashtrapati Bhavan face is coming of that. We Hindus, whichever photo we are worshipping, 6 unborn Rashtrapati Bhavan face is coming nationally. Either it is of Shiv Shakti, or either it is of Vishnu Lakshmi, that is Ram Sita, that is Krishna Radha, that is Amita Vilasa, that is if it is Brahma Saraswati, that is law education. If it is Adi Shakti Jagdamba, it is family and a non-widow husband. If it is Varshkrit God and Goddess, each united Varshkrit God and Goddess, and it is government history, it is government history. We have to understand this. We have to sign signature at one point, 31st August 1946, because one path we have originally made. We have got our Prime Minister. All the Prime Ministers have worked for us, and who is being selected is dignified person. We have got our Chief Minister. Whoever Chief Minister is selected is the dignified person of the society. We have to understand everyone is requiring a self-employment government job system, and by the fiscal credit table it can be possible a uniform system. 1 rupees, 2 rupees, we can make a table on the basis of illiterate, signature known, 5th pass, 8th pass, 10th pass, 12th pass, graduation pass, post graduation pass, MPhil, DLED, PhD, double PhD. Automatically a fiscal credit salary with the benefit of the ministry, pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance, and a self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, we will have a organized life. And in the private sector, when we are working, because in the organized self-employment ministry, optional work is there. Yes, of course, the permanency is there. In private sector, permanency is less. If we are able to generate tuning with our owner, it is very good. Otherwise, we are not able to survive, and then we have to fall. In that circumstances, this organized self-employment ministry is always there. From 18 years, whenever we require that, yes, now we should become organized, now we have the family, automatically in this circle we can improve our organized life. We are belonging from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. In English, that is welfare power Dham, life money Dham, law education Dham, family Dham, truth saviors Dham, and the government Dham. All is united to one. and by the signature method we will unite it to 750 MPs and 4500 MLA and MP, and 750 into 6 and 4500 into 6, all the Hindus family all over India, and automatically by the truth and non-violence method as Gandhiism, Amiteshwarism, Amit Kumar Jhaism will spread. Only here is that in Gandhiism we did not make the signing of the document. What happened? Now we are making 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan from the 31st August 1946. And one more arrangement I am making, so that the court martial range means any one which we are thinking, because we have to control ourselves, because we are out of control and we are only making law. We have to understand this by the court martial connection. When we are signing, automatically we will be trapped in ourselves only, because when the Prime Minister and Chief Minister will try to transfer her, automatically we will try to question, and here we will be called either we are from the Kailash Dham or from the Vaikunth Dham or from the Saddham or from the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham or from the each United Goddess Dham or from the government Dham, because from six unborn family we are belonging, and automatically voting system will be, because we have the democracy, we have the open mouth, we have everything, we can open our own political party. Here only thing is that we are becoming uniform. We have to understand that as we were working for the freedom from the Britishers, similarly we have to work for the self-employment government job system. This is Organized Self-Employment Ministry 39th session, and from the 31st August 2001 and 16 February 2002 it is the 14,178th session. Both time, morning, evening, I have been doing so that the Organized Self-Employment Ministry can be formed, and by this method we can become self-employed government servant. We have to understand that by the education system we are becoming human capital, but somehow or other regular income is at that time is provided by our guardian or parents. There is system by the signature method of the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan linked to 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan of 26 January 1950, 6 Governor House linked to 1 Governor House, that is 26 January 1950 in all 29 states and 6 union territories. By the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing system, we will become self-employed government servant, and our faith will be matured as educational certificate has been given educational value. The Organized Self-Employment Ministry will have the account section. Each account section, according to that we can coordinate our fiscal credit according to that. One universal law at the central level and the state level. The Organized Self-Employment Finance Minister and Organized Self-Employment Finance Minister at state will brief Chief Minister and Prime Minister. Automatically the money will be managed, because this is welfare money. We are spending crores and crores of rupees for other thing also. This is the self-employment government job. If 1 rupees is assurance being given from the government side that yes, we are self-employed government servant, and on that pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance is coming, it will become 1.25 paisa. And by the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, this is the 14th Finance Commission, it will also move with that. We will move, infinite population, infinite profession will be set. We are already managing from the 31st August 1946 unity angle. At that time we did not document it. Now we should document from that part. From the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I is linked to 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan. From the 6 Governor House I is linked to 1 Governor House High, which is under the control of Chief Minister and the Prime Minister of India and of the student of India. Our future will be bright because it is organized as our parents are looking our future. Our document, our educational certificate, our organized self-employment ministry will look after our future. and always the organized setup is better than the unorganized setup, because by the document system 750 MPs into 6 family, multinational corporation family, educational family, scientist family, editor family, the press family, the lawyers family, the women family, the truth and non-violence family, and the government family on the central level and on the state level are attached. We have married in all the Kailasdham, Bakundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham. Somewhere we are grandson, somewhere we are grandfather, somewhere we are maternal grandmother, somewhere we are paternal grandmother, somewhere we are daughters, somewhere we are sons, somewhere we are son-in-law, somewhere we are brothers and sisters. We have to understand we are scattered all over India by the document method. And 31st August 1946, from where the claimant document is coming from the Britain and staying in India for the self-rule, we have already made a organized system, but one more organized system is required on the path of constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate, fiscal credit, because so much money we are spending at that time we are not able to acknowledge, but this fiscal credit table will fix us. If any person has the confidence, 12 months showing 1 lakh is difficult, so one rate we will fix 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below. The problem is 30,000 per month below, where we are not able to judge, and for this only, because though we all who are living in 30,000 per month below, 10 rupees salary is also sufficient, because we can do Monday fast, Tuesday fast, Wednesday fast, Thursday fast, Friday fast, Saturday fast and Sunday fast. But assurance should be that on the 31st or 30th or 28th Feb, we are getting 10 rupees. So on that faith we are able to move on the path. And after 12 months, if 10 rupees we are getting 120 rupees, and on that pension, gratuity, provident fund, it is coming 50 paisa. So this is the assurance on the document method will change our life. We have to stand together for the organized self-employment ministry and document ourselves from the 31st August 1946, so that the equilibrium rate, we have to understand the court martial range also, because the document is giving the full reflection of the Kailasdham, Bakundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess. Infinite population, infinite profession is there, and in each of us, our heart, our God and Goddess is living. We are living, we are breathing. That means the God and Goddess is in us. The truth is in us. We have to understand the trust by the signature. Wherever in the organized self-employment ministry and budget, we will show our certificate, we will signature on the fiscal credit table shown by me, or whatever you will make by the trust and faith, and which will be validated by the Parliament of India and the Vidhan Sabha, all the states of India and all the Chief Minister and Prime Minister of India, and signature by the President under the money bill, and signature by the Governor under the state money bill. Automatically this will make a self-employed government system, and infinite population, infinite profession will be automatically in the cover. Come and join Amit Kumar Judge, Sardapur, Launa Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, in room number 126. We have to stand together for the Labour Party of India with the symbol fist of the hand, and we have to understand the organized self-employment ministry can make, any political party can make it. It is possible. By the document method, it is possible. We have to understand the rays, the infinite rays of the Kailasdham, Bakundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham, and the 130 crore people who are moving here and they are wandering for the work. 30% of the above in that is well settled, but 70% are fearing of the job, and this problem will be solved by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, because we have infinite profession. We cannot judge which profession we are going, but by the document signing method in the organized self-employment ministry, our fiscal credit will be fixed. 1 rupees if government is fixing, that is fixed, and we can plan according to our educational development. So now I am concluding by coming into Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, through my book Truth Only Trump, copyright number 954/03/COL, and ISBN number 8190186002X, in room number 126, by again concluding the worship of Shiv Shakti, that is Shiv Puran 12 Jyotir Mandir and 175 Shiv Shakti Jyotir Mandir. Then room number 2, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita and Amit Puran and 12 Jyotir Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir and 175 crore Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir document. And room number 3, the Brahma Suraj Puran and Truth Only Trump 6 Unborn Family and Singular Bay and 175 crore ISBN documents of Hindus. And room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagavad and 12 Jyotir Mandir, 12 ISBN book certificate and 12 Jyotir Mandir of Adi Shakti Jagdamba and 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir. And Hindu Varshkrit Mithila 108 Upanishad, 18 Puran, 4 Vedas and Varshkrit.